This is a breaking news that's coming in from Pakistan, where an attack, a terror attack that has been reported right outside the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Those pictures also coming in through reports that suggest that 5 people have been killed in this attack. This is still a developing news as we are picking up more updates from different platforms. This is the Pakistan Stock Exchange, as we're getting to know that people who have been injured, this is being called as a terror attack, where even a police officer and security guard outside the building were among those who have been wounded in a firing that was reported near the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Tejinder is with us with more details. Tejinder, what more do we know?
Amita, if you remember, the then Secretary of Defense of America, Hillary Clinton, had said that if you breed snakes in your backyard hoping that it will bite your neighbors, you are wrong. It will one day bite you. So this is what has happened with Pakistan. Pakistan, we know that is a breeding ground for terrorists. And today, those terrorists have come back to target Pakistan. What we have been told so far, these are initial reports as of now that some terrorists believed to be 3 to 4 in numbers. They have attacked the Karachi Stock Exchange, that is the Pakistan Stock Exchange in Karachi, in which 5 people have been reportedly killed. So far, the information that is trickling in says that 2 civilians have been killed in this attack and 3 attackers have also been killed. There were a total of 5 people have been killed in this attack, including 3 attackers and 2 civilians, and 1 attacker is still hiding inside. So right now it is not clear who these attackers are, to which terror organization they belong to. But the security agencies of Pakistan, including the Pakistan Rangers, the Pakistan Police, they have cordoned off the entire area, and efforts are on to make sure that there is a minimum civilian casualties. The civilians are evacuated. But this was the Monday morning when the Karachi Stock Exchange was about to open, when these terrorists, it is said that 4 terrorists stormed the building and opened indiscriminate firing on everyone. Surrounding areas have been sealed by police and park rangers. This is the initial information that is coming through the Pakistan media. So clearly, Pakistan, which itself is a breeding ground for terrorists, Pakistan has been sending training and aiding and abetting terrorism on the Indian soil, sending those terrorists into the Indian side. And now these terrorists have come back to haunt Pakistan. Yes, Amita.
All right, because this is just the initial information that's coming across, and we'll try to route to a Pakistani channel as well, so we can hear the updates that are coming in. But what we are getting to know, as Tejinder is also telling us, what the report suggests, that 5 people have been killed in this attack. The nature of the attack has been called as a terror attack, where even the security personnel, civilians too, have been attacked and killed in this attack. Many those who are being reported to have been injured. Tejinder, just keep updating us on every bit of information that come in, because this Pakistani Stock Exchange, this is in Karachi, which is a business hub there in Pakistan.